Welcome to Hibiscus Soap Cottage.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Lita with Hibiscus Soap Cottage. Today I've got the mold with the dividers. I am going to attempt a Mantra Swirl. Let's see how that goes. Alright, red, green, and white. We're just going to stick to some basics here. And I blended a little bit of refined rice bran oil with my olive oil. And I wonder if that's what's making this just almost emulsion looking. But just to avoid any false trace, I mean, it's not tracing right now, and we're at 78 degrees on the soap batter here. So I'm sort of leery of wanting to even stick blend. It's got that nice, I don't know. I'll just zap it real quick and I'll be right back. I just don't want to have you guys hear the stick blender noise. And let's see, I'm just going to try to do a little stick blend, just mild. I mean, we're at 78 degrees. I kind of want to take a chance, but don't. I'm going to play it safe and just what I said, a little stick blend. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Let's start pouring down here. Looks pretty good. There we are. A little bit messy here, but bear with me. I hope everybody's had a good week. Everybody's doing great. All right. This thing looks like, I think it's the unrefined or the refined uh, rice bran oil. I mean, I kind of switched up here a little bit with the batter. But these things, it's set up so fast. I'm working real fast. I know it's supposed to be more fluid. In a way, it's good. In a way, it's not so good. Oh, boy. What happened here with my little batter? I don't know. And I soaked as low. I should have just kept, just stir instead of a stick blend. I mean, barely. I barely did a stick blend. And this is what I get. But I think it's going to be okay. I think we're going to be just fine. Okay, this one, let me show so you guys can see. Let me do this here. Here we go with the green. And the dividers are perfect. They're not separating or anything. They're nice. I'm being a little sloppy, but how nice. I just love this thing. Really nice. Okay. Like I said, I kind of have to work a little faster here. This thing is setting up pretty good. Ooh, a little messy, but oh. And here's the red. Okay. In you go. Ooh, they're getting a little aggressive here. Ooh. That might be good for the top. I'm not worried. Oh, it's just swelling up. Look at that. I'm always looking forward to you guys' comments. Give me some tips here. It looks so easy when the other pros are doing it, right? Oh, it looks so easy. Note to self, no rice bran, refined rice bran oil, I guess. Now, I'm going to tap. Remove the dividers, I guess is what I do. Okay, perfect. I won't waste that at all. Here we go. Make samples, right? Okay, cute. Now a skewer. I'm gonna double it up. Oop. Get the ones from the sides here. All right, beautiful. Ooh, cute. Not bad colors. Not bad at all. And from here, I can, let's go ahead and do that. Let's see what we have. Man, this thing certainly, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. I went a little higher on the usage of the micas because everything's been looking so, you know, pale. And I, trying to break out of my shell here and go a little heavier on the colors. So give it a little green. I'm sorry for putting the cup here, but I'm trying to work fast. I tell you, I didn't change anything except adding, blending the olive oil with the rice bran oil, refined rice bran oil. And I did it as, on the soap kelp. And the fragrance oils are known to behave well. So I really don't know what is going on with this batter lately. What I might have really any of the white left, but this is fine. We're gonna, what a messy soaper. Here we go. With the tool here. Mantra Swirl. Drum roll, please. It's like a figure 8. Oh boy. Pretty. There's a diagram I saw on I Dream in Soap. I like her channel. Kind of, she's in these soaping contests or clubs, whatever. Really pretty. This is nice. Despite the soap getting thick like this, not seizing on me, but it's a little thicker than I'd like. I'm wondering now if it's the refined rice bran oil. That's the only thing that's different. No other butters or anything. So, of course, I'll make some samples. I don't even want to touch this. I'm scared to touch it. I think we're good. All right. Let me clean up this mess. And it's not as high as I want it, but again, I'm working with a thickening batter here. So, all right. Let me get this all set and wish me luck. So let me clean up and I'll be back to show you guys the top and everything. Okay, I am back. I did a lot of cleanup here. Not as pretty. I am very pleased with the design. Very nice. I'm not gonna touch the top for anything. I just did a figure 8. I was told that is the Mantra Swirl. I put 2 skewers together because I don't have a chopstick with me. And this I cleaned this up too. That was a remaining batter that I usually pour into the little sample molds. This is pretty. That's a pretty swirl. Look at this, pretty swirl. Nice little pretty swirl. Very nice. I didn't add glitter or anything. Strictly, I wanted to accomplish a mantra swirl. So let us see what we get. And the microphone is on today. So, but anyway, as always, have a wonderful week and enjoy yourself wherever you are on this planet. Be well, be happy, and I shall see you for the cut. Hello again, and welcome back for the cutting of the Not So Sea soap, but because I use the rice bran oil, refined rice bran oil, I think it hasn't even been 24 hours. So here we are for the cutting. This one's just going to be samples, but I think that came out real pretty. Let's unmold. Oh, pretty, pretty. I hope we don't have any holes. I mean, it didn't heat up, but it got thick, you know. Let's leave this one for last. I kind of wanted to test the unmolding. This is a masterpiece here. Mantra Swirl. I hope it came out nice. We don't know. Very good, very good. Nice, nice. Okay. How is everybody doing? A little crummy here. Oh, look at this though. Okay, nice and smooth. Oh, this makes me very happy. Oh boy, pretty. This is me trying the Mantra Swirl. Here we go. 2 inches. Please, let this be pretty on the inside. Okay. Oh, wow. I need a thicker chopstick. Oh my, they stayed the same. Okay, let's see, dig in more. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, almost there. Thicker. That's pretty though. I went heavier with the color, with the mica. Yeah. Oh, could it be that it was so thick like? That could be the problem. Okay, it didn't move much. I joined 2 skewers. I need maybe like the back of a knife or so, something thicker to really get in there. Oh, pretty nonetheless. Pretty nonetheless. Okay. Right. The next video though, we're gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. I swear I'm gonna get this. That looks like a little present, you know? Very cute. Very cute indeed. So when I went there, the top got it, but and on the bottom here, that's pretty odd. I swear the next video, guys. We'll get this. We're getting there. Okay, so note to self, no unrefined, no refined rice bran oil for next time. That is for sure. Not one mantra swirl at all. A swirl nonetheless, a lot better than some other ones that I got, but it did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. You need that fluid flow. That's what. Whoa. Well, we completed a whole cut and it looks nice, but not what I expected. The top looks a lot better. No ashing. Like I said, it didn't heat up, but this is what we got. Let's take a look at the sample one. The itty bitty here. Let's take a look at this. See what we get. Alrighty. What we have here. I'm trying to get this. Okay. Like a hot mess. Oh. Okay, little swirlies. Wow. The top of these look a lot better. I really like that texture there. Really pretty in person. I don't know if you guys are getting this. Real pretty. But, okay, as always, have a wonderful week. We will get this swirl. We will get this mantra swirl next time. Have a beautiful week. I'll see you for the real swirling.